here again today. Savage Panda Projects, the habitat for horsepower. So today is a very exciting day. We are going for new tires and wheels on this Project A3 Quattro. You guys already got to see my set of Alzor wheels. I got them unboxing. So we're going to go ahead and proceed with the install, and I'll follow up with you guys afterwards. Stay tuned. Finally got my conical wheel bolt set from ECS. Really glad they were able to overnight that. I was pretty freaked out, thinking, oh my gosh, my bolts. That is no bueno when you are like mad hyped for new tires and wheels and then you can't get them. It's been too long, man. I've put up with these stock wheels for a minute, so really looking forward to getting those on the car. Going to get some pictures for you guys, and I'm going to talk more about tires too, so we shall get there. And we've got a problem. Okay, so another unexpected inconvenience. In addition to losing my conical wheel bolt set in shipping, recently discovered that the hub-centric rings were also found to be missing from my shipment. So now we have further complexities and delays on this wheel and tire situation. We will get this resolved, and I will go ahead and use my fast travel into time and space and move forward into the part where I'm going to go ahead and grab the hub-centric rings after they actually ship to me, and then we shall proceed with the follow-up install with the wheels and tires on the car right about now. Alrighty, we are back again here. We now are well equipped with these critically important hub-centric rings. We can go ahead and proceed with a safe, proper install for these wheels and tires. I also want to make a point too to say I'm really happy with the outstanding customer service from ECS Tuning. I think the guys did a great job with urgency to rush these missing conical bolt set as well as the hub-centric rings in an overnight fashion just to get me taken care of as soon as possible. Really appreciate the great service. Thank you guys so much for that. Alrighty, it is about that time. We are back here now with the Alzor wheels properly installed with the hub-centric rings. So I do have good news. I'm very satisfied with the set of Alzors. I think it's an exceptional value for anybody looking to pick up a set for a reasonable price. Really happy with the machine face. I think the fit and finish is exceptional. Really hard to beat that for the price, honestly. In today's market, you can easily spend, $2K plus on just a set. This one here, I do have the Continental Stream Contact all season. This is a 235 35 R19. I really thought about doing Pilot Super Sports for quite a while, but after just considering the conditions, the temperature, the time of year, I just felt like it was more of a sensible decision to go with an all season as opposed to a high performance summer tire. Yeah, I think Continental is a great alternative for somebody that wants to go with an all season. Just knowing the value of an all wheel drive vehicle. I really hate to leave myself out hanging with a high performance summer tire that would limit me any type of usage for the all season conditions. Originally I had looked at the Pilot Super Sport. I then decided to go with the Pilot all season version, which actually used to have my old Q50, but after researching into it I actually found that they did not actually make them in a 235 35 19 size, which is what I needed. So I ended up going with the Continentals instead, which seem to ride really well. I think they make a great daily driver, something very comfortable, very quiet, smooth operation on both city and highway driving. Yeah, really happy overall with these Alzor wheels. I think they make a tremendous value. I don't really think you can get much better for the price. Something I've really been wanting to get done for quite a while now. It's kind of bland and blah, just rolling around in the stock 18s. They just look really small in the car, just obviously having a lot of wheel gap, and, a 7.5 just doesn't really quite, fill out the fender. This particular case, these Alzors, they are a 35 offset, so it's a little bit more on the aggressive side. For me, I usually do more of like a 45 that doesn't quite, protrude as much from the fender, but in the case with my ECS big brakes coming in with the 4-piston, I just really want to make sure I have the proper offset to ensure clearance for the larger size caliper. So as you can see, we've got plenty of distance here from the spoke to the caliper. Well, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Hit the like button, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think if you decide you're going to pick up a set of Alzors. Subscribe for more if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.